What's 01Talent Academy?
Basically, you learn how to learn. Free to come, free to go when they want.
Can anyone join the 01Talent Academy?
You need to be curious.
What's the peer-to-peer pedagogy?
It's about collective intelligence. Just trying for a month can be life-changing.
Hi Louis, thank you so much for being with us today in the 01 Coding Academy, which is a collaboration between NextEra Education, where I work, and 01Talent Academy, where you work. So we're very happy to have you with us today in the 01 Coding Academy. And we would like to let people know more about the 01 Coding Academy, the collaboration we're doing as NextEra with 01Talent Academy. So before we go to 01 Coding Academy, what's 01Talent Academy?
01Talent is an academy where people can train themselves and be able to join the market about IT. We have school all around the world. It's been already some years that the project open school with some collaboration. The new one with NextEra and Egypt allow us to open this new school, which start since 1 week.
Well, we're very excited to start our collaboration, and we think that 01Talent Academy uses or follows a unique pedagogy of qualifying students and professionals for the tech world and the labor market needs of today. So if someone goes directly and asks you, does 01Talent Academy, or why is it that 01Talent Academy is considered unique?
It's unique because the pedagogy is different in itself. People are practicing the project all together. It's a group project. You practice. You don't dive too much into the theory like in class, etc., because you discover it in the field while doing. And it's allow you to be proactive and autonomous while you will discover new problem in the real world. You will be able to face it yourself with your team, and you won't need someone to teach you how to do it again and again, because the technology are evolving every day, and you need to adapt yourself every day. So the main skill that you need to use in this new environment, new era of the world, basically, it's the adaptation. It's not having all the knowledge in your mind. It's adapt yourself to take the knowledge at the right place, the right moment.
What I understood from you is that the 01Talent Academy, the pedagogy that it uses, it qualifies graduates to be ready for the labor market needs in terms of being ready for the changes and evolves that happens in technology. So you do not learn a specific set of skills, or how do you do that? How do you make sure that students are always updated and always able to perform in the labor market while the technology is changing from day to day?
Practicing, doing, failing, understanding what you are doing is the best way to make yourself autonomous.
So it's a stimulation of what will the graduate face in the workplace.
During the training process, you participate to plenty of group projects where you do things, you learn, and basically you learn how to learn. You are not focusing on the specific skills, because the skill can be updated tomorrow and be obsolete. You are learning and developing your skill to adapt to every environment. We use IT because the world needs IT developers everywhere for every project, but those skills can be also applied in many fields. So it's technological, but also soft skills. And this is done with the peer-to-peer pedagogy.
What's the peer-to-peer pedagogy? And can you tell me more about it? Because this is a new educational concept that you are introducing here in Egypt. And it has been already proven successful in the
Absolutely,
30 countries
yes.
01Talent is performing at. But can you tell us more about it?
Peer-to-peer pedagogy, it's about collective intelligence. You work in a group, and the fact that you discuss with others will be more efficient than if someone transfer the knowledge to you, because you will think about every case possible. You will be creative, proactive, and the skills you develop will stay. It's not the knowledge that can be obsolete tomorrow. So you can still use your creative skill for a new problem tomorrow.
Okay, so this is the learn how to learn pedagogy you mean. It's you do not learn a specific set of skills, you rather learn how to learn.
Yes.
And this, in your opinion, guarantees that students can adapt to the changes that are taking place
Exactly,
in the
yes.
technology field day by day.
And we can say today with AI, this is even more the case. For example, 30 years ago, a skill was valid for like 15 years or more. Today, a skill is valid for 2 years, and then it must evolve. And with the AI, it will become even less, because things
Rapid
go,
changes
yes,
are taking
rapid,
place
exactly.
every day. It's not
So
it's not 2 years anymore. It's now it can be 2 days now. It can be 2 months.
in this context of uncertainty, you must adapt so fast, and to be able to feel comfortable adapting yourself, you must to be able to feel comfortable adapting yourself. The fact is, you must not be stuck to a specific knowledge. You must allow yourself to discover new things every day. And to be able to discover new things, you need to be curious. You need to allow yourself to find resources around you. So this pedagogy and the school you open in Egypt will train participants by themselves to gain this kind of skill and be able to get into the market really fast, and with good partnership and good company. Also, if you follow the path of other schools that exist already in collaboration with 01Talent, you can create partnership all around the world. It's mean you can work for other country, other continent, and that's really exciting.
That's very exciting indeed. And it only makes me think of the employment opportunities that people are joining the program for. So people are joining because many people are now faced with career shifts, or maybe they have been in the technology career, but they cannot reach advanced levels. So we are thinking of this program as an opportunity for students to reach their career goals and objectives. So let me ask you a question now. Can anyone join the 01 Talent Academy, or do they have to have background of computer science or IT, a strong background in computer science or IT?
No, that's the point. Everyone can join, and you will discover everything here with the other participants. That's the joy of it. You don't need to have specific skill. You will discover everything here. You
So you are
don't need
saying
background.
no matter what your background is, you can join the 01 Talent Academy.
Yes, you just need to come and have fun. In fact,
Have
it's
fun.
true.
That's,
Yes,
that sounds interesting to me too. So tell me, what do you mean by having fun? Because we are used to education as something strict, something with very structured environment. But what I get from you about your pedagogy is that you're just saying having fun. So can you explain?
if you want to feel comfortable somewhere, and if you want to have great result and feedback from what you do, the main important thing is to feel comfortable, have fun, and then always go with the flow. Here we create a space where people are free to come, free to go when they want, free to work the way they feel and they want to work, and they can dive into the project we propose, because the curriculum propose plenty of interesting projects. We can dive into it with their own process thinking. So for my personal experience, there is nothing more fun than being able to express yourself and dive into a challenge with your own creativity, your own energy, sharing with other, and you have more flexibility than the classic. I recommend everyone to test the experience here because it can be life changing, even if you don't want to work in IT or to continue studying here. Just trying for a month can be life changing. It will give you some new process of thinking, meeting some friend also. And
So making network and connections
absolutely.
from people
Mm.
coming back from the same background or working in the technology field. I was wondering, again, I will ask the same question. Does that mean that anyone can join, or there is a specific selection criteria that based on this criteria, you can guarantee the employment opportunity for graduates?
Everyone can join, yes. You don't need background in IT. You will discover everything from here, even from scratch. In fact, there is what it's called the piscine. When you discover the school, you do 1 month training. It's kind of a test, but it's not for the staff to test you. It's for you to test the school. If you enjoy this month, you want to go further, you will apply for the curriculum. And the staff also, we can see the statistic and we'll see if you will prefer this part of the curriculum, this part, they can guide you through the correct process of the school. No,
Okay,
it's not
I think
exactly.
I think I got what you mean. What you mean is that this is like the engagement phase between bride and grooms, let's say, where both sides see if the student sees if this pedagogy and learning methodology is suitable for them, and at the same time, the staff tests the bare minimum technical skills needed and the bare minimum soft skills or potential needed from the candidate to succeed in the 2 years program. So the selection phase, or as you call it in France, the piscine, is for both sides to know whether this is
Yes, exactly.
the right or correct pedagogy they want to learn from.
This in the selection phase can be interesting to try even if you don't want to go further or even if you think it's not for you because you can discover yourself in this field. For me, for example, I have never coded in my life before trying this school. And when I came, I felt at home and I felt like this was meant for me. So it's always good to try, give it a try. You can stay 1 week, 2 week, and take your decision to continue or not. And maybe, who know, it will be life changing.
So, Louis, as someone who works with the 01 Talent, how long have you been with the 01 Talent first?
Working with the staff since 3 years.
3 years.
Yes.
And of
it's,
course, during these 3 years, you visited different piscines in different countries. What would be your tips and advice for candidates participating in the piscine to succeed and make it to the 2 years program?
I really appreciate this question. One advice that came to my mind is to think about what are you doing? What is this? What I am talking about, what I am discovering. And then when you understand the what, think about how. But I've seen that people used to mix in the process, and if you don't understand what you are facing, it's more difficult to know how you can face it. So ask yourself first, what is this about? Then I will say, divide a problem. You know, problem solving, it's a skill, and every skill has its own method. It can have plenty of method. This is having some creativity. But anyway, problem solving has also a method. And this method could be, one of the method could be to divide the problem into multiple tasks, little tasks. By doing so, if you want to climb the mountain, you just do some step by some step and things will really get easier.
It's a very good advice, and I totally agree with you. And that's what we advise our students on, is that the problem when you look at it, for example, in the piscine or any coding problem that they go through during the piscine, people might feel frustrated. How can I do that? But the successful candidates who has been proven successfully do what you say exactly. They break down the problem into small pieces and deal with each problem separately. So and I really like how you put this in words.
That's what I've seen mostly when visiting different campus. Obviously, everyone has his own mind, own way of doing, and let's get creative.
Thank you so much, Louis. We were so happy to have you with us,
Shukran.
supporting us in our first piscine. Oh, shukran. Did you learn this in Egypt?
Yes,
Okay, so this is your first time in Egypt, and or you already say shukran. So
yes, and also I try korechi,
what is it?
kocheri.
Koshari.
Yes.
You tried koshari. Oh, how was that? That's a very, very Egyptian experience.
Was great.
We're happy to have you with us. We're happy and glad for your support and the 01Talent support and our collaboration as NextEra with the 01Talent Academy. And now we have the 01 Coding Academy live in Egypt for students and professionals interested to learn coding and programming. And we're very excited because this is aligned with Egypt's 2030 vision and the government's direction towards AI literacy for all Egyptians.
Exactly. The Egypt has so much student with good potential, and this collaboration will make things possible to fill the market, the IT market, and give people the opportunity to discover themselves in this area.
Thank you. I totally agree with you. Egypt is full of calibers and candidates with good potential. This opportunity of the 01 Coding Academy will be the perfect start for anyone who wants to improve their technical skills at one side and improve their soft skills, which is also needed for the labor market. So we're very excited that the 01Talent of the 01Talent collaboration, and we look forward of having graduates who are tech professionals joining the labor market and meeting its needs of today. Finally, I will end this by thanking you, Louis, for being with us today. Thank you for coming all the way from France.
Thank you very much.
To here in Cairo, supporting our staff, and we look forward of gaining this fruitful collaboration results after students and candidates finish the 2 years program. Thank you.